With some minor modification, the front clip from the 72 Firebird was successfully transplanted into Will's Camaro, and we are ready to reinstall the engine. But first, we had a little scavenger hunt to complete.
Like people park there?
Yeah.
Hello, David. Hey, everybody, this is David.
What's going on?
Anytime we go to a junkyard, David is right there. We didn't even tell him, he just knew.
Yeah.
He just knew.
I just showed up. I knew you guys were going.
So what kind of hunk of junk car are we going to the junkyard to find a part for, Walker?
1989 Camaro Iron.
Oh, 1989, huh? I was alive in 1989. It wasn't a great year.
The main prize jewel we're going to get though is the 95 Z28 brake booster. That's what we really
Okay, that's the prize.
Yeah.
How many bolts are we talking about here?
What, the brake booster?
Yeah.
5 maybe.
10. We gotta hook all the pedals.
10 bolts?
You gotta do the pedals.
We're gonna be there till tomorrow afternoon. Hey Taylor, what do you think about that car in front of us?
Well, nice hit.
I'm not asking you, Walker.
Well, you see, Coons,
If you put some mud tires on it and put a...
I have a dear friend that does that kind of racing, so I'll just stay
350.
refrain from my opinions.
I'm asking for your opinion. I want to know what you think about that car that's in front of us. What kind of car is that in front of us, by the way?
It's Nissan 350Z.
Okay. Well, what do you think about that? Have you ever ridden in one?
Yeah, they're nice if you want to, you know, make a loud car and sound fantasy and stuff. You put a
Sound like a douche.
Yeah. Sound like a bumblebee that's on steroids or something, but or a weed eater. But
Dave, what do you think about that car in front of us?
It's a pretty neat car. I've actually driven one before.
Oh yeah?
I think it's a knockoff of the Subaru BRZ.
But it came out before.
Yeah, you
So-
got your timelines mixed up there, bro. All right, Walker, what do you think about that car up there?
I think it looks nice. I think it's aesthetically pleasing. Mechanically, I don't know about it.
What is this guy on? Philosophy, like on the car channel or something?
I know, he surprised me. He gave me a better answer than all of you.
The aesthetics are outstanding.
You gave me a better answer than all of you guys.
Mechanically, I know nothing about it, so I can't judge it. But
It works like any other car.
Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah.
God.
I know, right?
Oh yeah, we are gonna be here all day.
We're gonna be here till tomorrow.
I came just to come over to your house. I didn't know.
I know, right? So what's this thing we're looking at?
96 Z28.
Oh, and what do you want off of it? The master cylinder?
Master cylinder. Brake booster.
Hmm. You think this car would really go 150 miles an hour? David, will your car go 150 miles an hour?
My little Ford banger, yeah.
Yeah.
I can do it. It's got a turbo on it,
Oh yeah?
a little one.
I don't think so. They don't put turbos in Chevrolets.
It does. It has a turbo on it.
I want to see that one when I
It
get
really
back.
does. I didn't believe him either. I googled it.
That's what I had to get fixed.
Oh, your turbo's already busted on you?
It did, yeah. So I got a brand new one.
What happened to it?
Just fucking went out. I could tell the difference because it wouldn't pick up when I would press on the gas.
So you blew your turbo.
Yeah,
You are a turbo blower.
yeah, pretty much.
Ready to
got
go?
car.
What?
I got my light.
What is that?
It's a light bulb.
Oh, okay. For your 2017 Malibu?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, those require blinker fluid.
Blinker fluid.
So I still
there's no fluid in there. Yeah, it's drained, it's empty, it's no good.
Should I just buy a new one that comes with it already?
Yeah, you better buy one with blinker fluid.
IROC. Well, it's not an IROC. It's fucking just a regular Z RS. Hey.
Hey, this is all I needed.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
So you don't look too happy, Will. What happened?
Junkyard charges too much.
What do you mean? How much do they charge you?
Like $70.
We're gonna pull
For
up
that
there.
for that thing? Oh, okay.
Pick a different junkyard next time.
Oh well, did you mean it? Let's go back to the start, yeah, before you fall apart. Oh well, did you mean it? I'll tell you this again, yeah, we can't be just friends. Oh
Okay, I won't come back.
Then we'll take the mom in too.
Did you mean it? Let's go back to the start, yeah, before you fall apart. Oh well, did you mean it? I'll tell you this again, yeah, we can't be just friends.
Kids, get on the bus. Let's go. Come on.